semi-detached 3-bedroom house in Howard Hill with a stunning, beautiful interior design. Let's take a look inside. First we go through to the beautiful family living room, which leads straight through into the fantastic dining room, which is perfect for family gatherings. Next we come into the stunning kitchen with a brand new modern design, which leads straight through to the lovely garden. So this garden comes with 2 sheds, which is great for storage, and it's a lovely spacious garden, perfect for summer days like today. Now we're going to take a look upstairs. Follow me up. Upstairs we have 3 spacious bedrooms, a lovely bathroom. So this bedroom overlooks the stunning garden, and it also includes a built-in wardrobe. Also located upstairs is the stunning bathroom, which is beautifully designed. Lastly, we come into the master bedroom, which also has a built-in wardrobe, saving the best bedroom till last. Have a look round. Take a look at what the owners have done to utilise the space in this second bedroom.